Hey there, I'm Joshua. I personally signed up to sell on Amazon because I was interested in the whole process of sourcing products and selling them. I work in the supply industry already, so I've had interest in that space for a while, and doing it myself seemed like the choice that made sense. I had a baby on the way, so I was looking for ways to earn a bit of extra income to support his future, and Amazon seemed like the easiest way to get into that myself and learn the whole process, and it seemed simple. I chose Alex and his company because they actually seemed really genuine. His whole team did. Everyone I've dealt with, from Alex himself to everyone else that onboarded me and who I've spoken to since, they all seem genuine. They actually care about you and what you're trying to achieve. And that was what was most important to me. So really appreciate everything they've done to date and would gladly recommend them. I had seen quite a few sort of webinars and different companies and websites and stuff preaching the Amazon dream, making it easy to earn a income doing the side hustle and all that sort of stuff. I'd sat through quite a few webinars, and it's hard to know, like, is it a scam? It's just, it didn't feel genuine to me, and that was what was most important. And when I came across Alex's videos and then sat through his webinar and then actually spoke to people on his team, the point of difference for me was that they seemed real and they seemed genuine, and they really were relatable, and I was able to connect to that. And then once I got into the content, it's really well set out, and that's easy to follow, and that's the I guess the main thing. It's really genuine, and they care about you and what you're trying to achieve. What I really appreciate about the training that's set out by Alex's company is how simple it is and how easy it is to follow. Module 1, lesson 1, 2, 3, etc. Module 2, lesson 1, 2, 3, etc. You can review the content, you can rewatch the videos. There's text summary so that you can read that. So you've got a few different ways to understand the content that's being delivered to you, and you can do it all in your own time, and you can rewatch it or reread it as much as you need. And if there's anything you don't understand, you've actually got real people, whether it's Alex himself or any of his team, to actually help you understand what you're learning and what you're trying to achieve. And that's what I really appreciated about it. Just super simple, easy to follow, and very in-depth and up to date. So that's important, and I appreciate it. Would I recommend the training? Short answer, yes. Simple, easy, genuine, real. Yes, I would recommend it. I was hesitant at first, obviously. I mean, it's not a small amount of money to invest in sort of coaching programs, but you can. And I mean, I got told this a lot, and now it's sort of funny that I'm saying this now, but you would spend a lot more money with the mistakes that you could make. Buying the wrong product, investing in the wrong things, shipping errors and all this sort of stuff. Like, there's so much to it where you could make the wrong choices if you don't have the right knowledge or have the right training. So it's worth it to invest in a company that you feel is the right fit for you. And Alex and his team was the right fit for me. And so I think, I think a lot of people could get the same benefits from AMZ and everyone involved in that. So yes, I would recommend.